Hello and welcome to Morvish Cuisine, my desi kitchen with the Western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of instant khoya. So for this recipe you need only two ingredients. I have full cream milk powder and heavy whipping cream. I'm using Nido, you can use whichever you like. So first take powder milk, mix it with the whipping cream. You just need a very thick kind of a paste. There isn't any specific quantity for this recipe. You just need a thicker paste. Here you can see the consistency, how much thicker do we need for this. Now put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Just make sure your bowl have enough space. Here you can see that it's boiling, it's coming on top. You don't want your mixture to get spilled. Now just take it out from the microwave. You can see it's bubbling. Just mix it. If you see there's some liquid underneath, just put it in the microwave for 30 more seconds. Mine was done in 3 minutes. Now your khoya is ready to use in any dessert. For the future use, just keep it in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag in the freezer. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and updates, and it's totally free.